Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I'm talk about you. Today now it is a special day because today is aashadhi Ekadashi. Everybody is keep this fast. Me, my husband and my two kids keep this fast because uh, everybody is people is go to the Pandharpur to worship, yes, worship God. And uh, everybody is not eating this food. Everybody eating this only sago, sago. This is sago. Everybody is eating this sago. And everybody eating this um, peanuts and jaggeries laddu. I make this peanuts and jaggeries laddu. Its laddu is so healthy. Its laddu, you are eating this laddu. Your body is make this the blood, yeah. And you are eating this is a healthy laddu. And everybody is only eating these fruits and juice and peanuts and jaggeries, okay guys. And I have 2 days I have not made this video because I am ill. I have lots of cough and I have my head is a lots of pain. Today I am sleep now. I have not made this video. I'm little bit only doing this household work and I'm sleep now, okay. But I have not made this video. 2 days I have not made this video, but I have start my journey because you will not break your consistency. I will break my consistency. I will not getting this fluency, and I forget them. Yeah, and I feel so not good things. Yeah, every day I make this video. I feel so better. I feel so confident. I feel so confidently speak to English. Okay, guys, you will try to speak. You will learn this language. Your English is right or wrong. It is not. It is not worry. You will not worry about yourself. You will try. Only try. Okay. And today is a fast. You will today is a take this keep this fast. Yes, yeah, no, you will comment for me. And thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak, keep learning, keep practicing. Your one like, your one share, your one like, your one subscribe, I will motivate for me. Thank you watching this my video. Bye bye.